Hi everyone. Today we can discuss exercise 5D using the sum or difference of two cubes. That is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square is a cube minus b cube. That is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square is a cube minus b cube. Similarly, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square is what? A cube plus b cube. So we have two, that is sum of two cubes and difference of two cubes. So first question, a cube minus 27. A cube minus 27 we can write it as a cube minus 3 cube. 27 is 3 cube. So here a is equal to a and b is equal to 3. So this is in the form of a cube minus b cube. We know a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Here a is equal to a and b is equal to 3. So this can be written as a minus 3 into a square plus 3a, that means ab. So here a is 3 and b is a and b is 3. So 3a plus b square. So a minus 3 into a square plus 3a plus 9. Then second question, 1 minus 8a cube. 8 can be written as 2 cube. So second question is 1 minus 8a cube. So 1 can be written as 1 cube minus 8 can be written as 2 cube a cube. That is 1 cube minus 2 cube a cube, we can write it together, that is 2a the whole cube. So this is in the form of a cube minus b cube. Here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2a. So how can we write that? That is 1 minus 2a into a square means 1 square minus ab means 1 into 2a. 1 into 2a, ab, that is 2a itself. Then plus, here plus, use in the identity a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. B is what? 2a. So 2a the whole square. So how can we write? 1 minus 2a into 1 square, 1 plus 2a plus 2 square, 4a square. Third question, 64 minus a cube b cube. 64 is what? 4 cube. That is 64 we can factorize. So 4. 4 ones are 4, balance 2. 6 fours are 24, again 4, 4. So 64 means what? 4 cube is 64. 4 cube minus a cube b cube, we can write it as ab the whole cube. So this is in the form of a cube minus b cube, where a is equal to 4 and b is equal to what? ab. So a cube minus b cube is a minus b, that means 4 minus ab. A minus b into a square means 4 square plus ab means 4 into ab, 4ab plus b square means ab the whole square. So 4 minus ab into 4 square, 16 plus 4ab plus a square b square. Then fourth question, a raised to 6 plus 27b cube. So 27b cube means we can write 27 as 3 cube b cube. A raised to 6, a raised to 6 we can write it as a raised to 2 the whole cube or a raised to 3 the whole square. So which one we have to? We have to get it as a cube minus b cube form or a cube plus b cube form. Cube form we have to. So we want to take a raised to 6 as a square the whole cube. That is a square the whole cube we have to take. No need of taking this one, a cube the whole square. We are not doing with a square minus b square. If you are taking with a square, doing with a square minus b square identity, then only we can take a cube of the whole square. So here cube we need. So a raised to 6 we can write it as a square the whole cube. So no need of writing this as a cube the whole square. A raised to 6 we can write in both ways. A raised to 2 the whole cube. Not only like this way, a raised to 3 the whole square, also what? A raised to 6. But here we are using the identity a cube minus b cube. So we want to take a square the whole cube. So a raised to 6 we can write it as a square the whole cube. So this is in the form of what? First again we can change that 3b the whole cube. So now we can say this is in the form of a cube plus b cube. Here a is equal to what? A square and b is equal to 3b. So a cube plus b cube is a plus b, that is a square plus 3b, a plus b into a square, that is a square means already a is a square means, so it will be a square means a square the whole square, a square, then a cube plus b cube, a plus b into a square minus ab means a square into 3b, a square plus a square, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square means 3b the whole square. So a square plus 3b into a square the whole square is a raised to 4 minus 3a square b plus 3 square 9b square 9b square, a square plus b 3b into a square once again a square plus 3b into a raised to 4 minus 3a square b plus 9b square. Fifth question, 3x raised to 7y minus 81x raised to 4 y raised to 4. We need only x cube or y cube. We are not dealing with the x raised to 4, y raised to 4. So we have to take one xy common. So what are things we can take common? If we take xy common, what will happen to the second term? Minus 81 x cube y cube. If we take xy. Then similarly we are taking xy common from this term also. So 3 is there. X common means x we took outside means we will have only x raised to 6. Y already we took, so no need of writing y. Then 3x raised to 6 minus 81 x cube y cube. So from 3 and 81, which one we can take common again? So first we took xy. Then from here 3 also we can take common. So 3 if we take common means no need of writing 3 here. So 3. Then 81. We need 81. So which number should be written here? 81 divided by 3, that is 3 2s are 6 balance 2, 7 3s are 21. So 27 into 3 is 81. So 81 we need means 3 into 27 only what? 81. So if we take 3 common means we can write it as what? 27 here. Okay, so 3 xy. Then same as the previous question, x raised to 6 we can write it as x raised to 2 the whole cube minus 27 we can write it as 3 cube, then x cube y cube. Then 3xy into x square the whole cube minus, this can be written as 3xy the whole cube. Here a is equal to x square and b is equal to 3xy. This is in the form of a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is a minus b. So already 3xy there. Then we can write inside the brackets. A cube minus b cube is what? A minus b. A minus b means a is x square minus b is 3xy. A minus b into then a square. A square means x square the whole square, a square plus ab. Ab means 3xy into x square also 3ab plus b square means 3xy the whole square. Okay, so this can be written as what? 3xy into x square minus 3xy, then no need of square bracket, this is enough. This can be written as x raised to 4 plus 3 x square, 1x is there, so x raised to 3y plus 3 square 9 x square y square. Okay, so that is the answer. Okay, up to this is enough. Then again if we want to simplify, then we can do 3xy. Here from this term 1x we can take into x, if we take means balance will be x minus 3y. Then from here also which one we can take? X square we can take, isn't it? So x square if we take from this means x square, then balance will be x raised to 4. From that we took x square. So it will be x square plus 3x square we took. So only 1x balance, 3xy plus 9 x square we took. So balance will be y square only. So 3 x and x square. So x square, so x cube, x raised to 4, y only there balance. So 3 we wrote, then y we wrote. So remaining x minus 3y into x square plus 3xy plus 9y square. This is your final text back answer. Okay. Thank you.